Super quick video. So, just how to use a pre-made photo in a template. So these are standard templates here, and I'm just gonna pick Instagram post. It's a nice square post. It works for Instagram and Facebook. There's a different template for Facebook, but I use the 1080 by 1080, and it's not a problem. Now this is in my pro account, so I have folders, lots and lots of folders. And you can, if you have the free account, you can just go to uploads and upload media, and then mine would be from device, and then these are what I would be uploading. But since I'm on my pro account, I'm actually going to go drop some of these into my real folder that I have for them so I can find them later. As you see, I already dropped a couple of these in here. What ones don't I have? I don't think this one's in here. Anyway, so to get this on here, all you have to do is you can click and it automatically centers it, and then you just drag your corners. Now it's nice and square. And because again, I'm on my account that has all of my items, I have folders for all of my individual things, so I can like go up into the crossbody items and throw a crossbody on there. Or you can go through, I mean, there's all the winter stuff right now. And also, I want to see if this works. Sometimes this works with images, sometimes it doesn't. If you just drag, yeah, it'll just auto size to it. Like I said, sometimes it doesn't work with images, but that's all you have to do. It's pretty quick and simple to get these pre-made images into a template.